DJ Shine, it's the game,
the Harvey
homie.
kid, the Harvey kid. I'm breaking these bitches their hearts again.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tron K Fish, and I'm back with another reaction video for y'all, man. That's right, yep. I'm doing 2 in 1 day, alright? I'm feeling a little gloomy, you feel me? I'm feeling a little gloomy. Damn, it's kind of hot, this day. But nah, man. Bro, today I got something special, boy. Hold on. This is my favorite mixtape of all time, bro. Marcus Lovett Jr. Son, I used to watch this video like 5 times before a basketball type shit, bro. Like, real talk. But this is the, I don't care, no, hands down, this is the best hoop mixtape freaking mixtape they ever made, bro. This is so crazy. So if I be a little hype, bro, y'all know why. This is my favorite. But anyways, let's get right into this video, man. Oh, what are you doing? Hand up. Can't guard me. You can't guard me. Get your ass up, boy. Look at this. Oh, what are you doing? And why? Get off of me. Get off of me. I'm just playing with you. Oh, come here. Ooh. Professor. There it goes. Ooh, what you doing? Can't double to you. Oh my god. Hey. Ooh, what you doing? Oh my god. This dude doing post move. Oh my god, where you going? Oh my. Oh my god, where? Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Look at him, man. I feel like Stephen Curry. I mean, not Stephen Curry. Chris Paul. Yeah. Oh, with your half man. You know that's a crossover. Oh, I feel like Russell. And one. Oh, come here. Oh my god, oh my god. I went to training. Hey. Bro. It did not get better than that, bro. It's nothing. Oh my god. I just want to dip off of that one, bro. It's still, like, even I didn't even want to be that hype, to be honest. Literally, I did not want to be that hype. But all right, calm down. Calm down. All right. I'm calm now. I'm not that hot no more. Hands down the best mixtape ever, bro. I don't care. It's better than John Walls. It's better than Austin Rivers. Better than all theirs, bro. I don't care. I don't know what, like, I forgot what school he had. What? Like, I know he went to college, but I forgot. I think it wasn't like no big college or nothing, but he could be doing big things, bro. I don't know what's going on in his mind right now. That I'm gonna leave it up to him. Hey. If it was me, it would be a different story, no talking. But yeah, man, that's it for this reaction video, bro. I'm just gonna make sure you leave a like and subscribe, bro. Like how I on my AAU, I must be like, I got like 3,000 some views with like 20 some likes and like 170 subscribers, bro. Come on, man, like my stuff and subscribe to me, bro. It's nothing else. There's nothing else you can do, bro. Like, show me some love, bro. I'ma show love back to y'all. See, you show me love, I feed it back to y'all, man. But anyways, man, that's gonna wrap it up for the video, man. Oh yeah, y'all like the haircut? I just got it cut today. You know, you feel me? On some light stuff, But yeah, man. That's it for the video, bro. I'm out, bro.